Awareness Day for you and for others. I was hoping members of the clergy would be present, but I would also like to stress, Daktari mentioned that you're looking for partners. Kila mtu hapa ni partner. We are all stakeholders in the fight towards ensuring mental health awareness is key for everyone. The one thing that COVID, I don't want to say the good thing with COVID, but the thing that COVID did was highlight mental health as an issue, as a concern for the community and for us as individuals. So post-COVID, kumekuwa na stakeholder engagements based on mental health. So I would just like to stress, you have partners in all of us. For members of the clergy, if they are able to mainstream matters, mental health, during their services, that would also be a great assistance to all of us. And because we have employers present, I would ask that you create safe spaces within your organizations and places of work for both staff, employees, and management to be able to feel free to speak. Communication is clearly a challenge for all of us involved, and for our office specifically, we have matters that range from simple things to hard things. And it's tragic when, as a county, we keep reporting matters suicide, and suicide linked to mental health issues. So if we open up spaces, both in our homes and at our workplaces, I think that would go a very long way. And as I finish, to the MC, please, you're being, I don't know the word to use. I speak on behalf of all Arsenal fans.
Yes.
You're bringing into question our mental health for today. So desist.
Yes.
Thank you.